Hello, this is Marcus. Today I want to talk about the new version of Eldiron, my retro RPG creator for both 2D and 3D CRPGs. Uh, I just released a new version, version 0.9, and that version introduces a new concept called Avatas. Avatars are um, abstract templates for a human or monster character shape. And here we have one avatar, the human avatar, which you could see here on the for the farmer, and here the guy in his house. And these avatars, they are resolution independent. You can be in any resolution as you want. Eldiron resizes them on the fly when you change resolution. You have 1 or 4 perspectives, depending on if you do a 2D or a 3D game. And you can have as many animations as you want. By default, the idle, war, cast, and attack animations are hardwired to these here. So when we look into the idle animation, you have 2 frames with a speed of 5. You can select a frame here. On space, you start the preview of the animation down here. And you can freely paint inside the avatars inside Eldiron with the integrated new paint tools you have here. But you can, of course, also use any other pixel editor and copy and paste the frames into Eldiron. But you see that you have specific colors for each body part. The skin has a light and dark colors, so you can shade the skin. And after that, we have specified colors for the torso, arms, legs, hair, eyes, hands, and feet. These are colors which are replaced by Eldiron with a bit of shading automatically on the fly. So characters can override these colors, but also items can do it. So you have a starting look for the character with your attributes, and then you can also and equipped items can change that. So if we go here to the character, the player character, he has a. Let me turn off my overlay here. Makes this full screen. So you have a preview of the character here, and you can enter values for your hands, for example, for the color, or you can for the torso. So you can use an index into the palette. The palette is down here. So when you're over on the status bar, you see which index you're currently over. So you can use indices into the palette, or you can also do direct colors. When you have an hex color, you can also directly use colors. So this is only for the preview. You will copy and paste these attributes then into the character attributes and to get the starting look. And here, just to have a preview how items look on the character, you can define certain items into the anchor slots to see how they look on the animation. We can also change the animation here. Let's say the walk animation and our attack. Okay, so then, as I said, we can copy these into the attributes here of the character. So light skin index is this, or it gives you the starting look of the character. And here the auto also, you can, for example, auto start equipped items. These are the items which are auto equipped on startup for the character. Yeah, I mean, that's basically it. When we go into the game, we go here to the gate. Let's use the gate to open it. And we go have here this guard here, and he's attacking us. And you see when he attacks us, he is using the attack animation. Now he killed us, and we get teleported to that starter region here. One thing is that you can also use the avatar as a widget in the screen. So this represents your current look of your character in the game, and it will automatically change when you equip items. And yeah, so you have also the avatar system also works for characters. I mean UI characters, ragdolls. Okay, this is a short introduction about avatars in the newest version of Eldiron. And I will make more focus videos about other new features soon. Good, thanks for watching, and thanks in your interest in Eldiron. And also thank you to my patrons which are supporting me. Very much appreciated. Version 0.9 is now getting very close to being a version 1, and um, all the building blocks are now in place. And here for the new demo here, you can actually flip between first look and ISO look on the fly, which is also quite neat. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.